Welcome to our stealth camping setup. In this video, we'll share what it's like and a little bit of our camping experiences. This shows the insert without the mattress. Note the two sides are hinged, so they hinge in, and you can slide the whole insert out and stand it up in a garage. The raised area is actually storage up in the front underneath, and it flips towards the back of the truck and gives you extra leg room when sitting. Now, Tucker and I are going to try out the Cap Camper. Got our curtains up and shut off the lights pretty soon, and we're good. Hi, Tuck. This shows our enclosure for a porta potty and for a shower. I sped the video up so it doesn't take so much time, but it only takes less than 5 minutes to set up or take down.
No, get out of there. He's digging. Come on. No. And it's recording now. It recorded that. So you're gonna have to take that out.
We'll stop it and start over.
Hey everyone. So for dinner, first let's just talk about, we're at a campground at, what's this place called? Belleplain State Park, and we're making dinner, and we're making goulash. So for goulash,
Well, it's your grandmother's recipe.
well, means something different for everybody, goulash, but it's going to be baked beans, well, not baked beans, but beans, onions, and breakfast sausage. So and potatoes. So the backstory, and onion, did I say onion? Onion. So the backstory to this goulash is that I've been eating this since I was small, and apparently, maybe I'm wrong, but my mother told me that my grandma, there was a snowstorm, a big snowstorm, and they had nothing in their house to eat, and they couldn't get out. And you know how the story goes with, uphill both ways. But anyway, the snow apparently was up to the top of the door or something like that, and they couldn't get out to eat. So my grandmother, who had 7 children, all she had in the house to eat was pork beans, some sausage, and potatoes, and she mixed it all together, and they called it goulash. So through time, we have been eating it, and don't stick your nose up at it until you tried it, because it's really good. But through time, it's just been a thing in our family, is goulash. And so that is what Kevin is making tonight. But here he is, getting the potatoes, and it's all going to be combined like a stew. So if anyone's wondering what is goulash, goulash is stew, like a stew, but with whatever you want in it, really. Stew is whatever you want to put together. And that is what we're doing. And I will show you when it's all done.
Good morning. It is about 5:30 in the morning. And we have a long day today. Yesterday we got to 6 of the 11 stops. Today we have 7 more to do. So we just got up. There's Tucker. And I am heating up water to make coffee and tea. We're going to make some scrambled eggs in a little bit for breakfast. Jennifer's sitting on the back of the truck. We slept pretty good.
Yeah, slept twice, but pretty good. Tucker slept like a rock.
Yep.
He was so tired.
So
But,
that's it for now.
yeah, till tea time.
Well, Tucker and I are just waiting outside the bathroom for Jennifer. We came up and got a shower. It's still dark out. And we'll go back and make our breakfast, get changed, and pack up and hit the road. The good thing is it's pretty easy to pack up, so. Well, kind of missed our breakfast video.
Uh-huh.
But we had, that butter's gonna fall off.
Toast.
We had
Egg.
scrambled eggs, and the eggs were from the Hopscotch farm,
Yeah.
where we stayed last weekend. We had some rye toast. Tomorrow I have to get back on my plan, my eating plan, but you can see how yellow the egg is in this container.
And it tastes so much better too.
Yeah, they were fresh from the farm, which we have chickens too, but they don't. They're getting too old, and they don't really lay eggs much. Tucker's been a really good boy.
He's been very good.
And anyway, the last few years, if we're going camping just for like one night or whatever, I'll take the eggs and break them into a container at home. And that way I don't have to deal with the shells. And just shake the container up this morning, and it scrambles them. And put them in the pan. It was good. Yeah, the rye toast is really good.
Yummy.
Well, we're going to get packed up and hit the road and get to our first lighthouse for the day.
Woohoo.
Oh, so I'll tell you one fail. This morning when we came back from getting a shower, I figured rather than hitting my remote to unlock the truck, I would use my key, because I didn't want my headlights coming on. So I used my key to be very quiet and stealth-like, and the burglar alarm went off instead. So for future reference, I guess it's better to have my headlights shine in somebody's campsite than it is to set off the burglar alarm and have the horn blowing through the whole place. Oh well, live and learn. We hope you enjoyed our video and that you'll consider subscribing and coming along on some of our other adventures. Thank you for watching.